Hi everyone, welcome to Everywhere channel.
Please like, subscribe, and press the bell button. Thank you.
Hi everyone, welcome to Every View channel. Okay, today's lesson I will teach you what are the usage of sum function, sum if function, and sum ifs function. Okay, to describe that, I already created table with location, item, name, and total sales. Right? Okay, first I want to find. If I want to find the using sum function, I can find only set of range of total. Right? For example, if I want to find sum of total sales equal sum open bracket, if I give the range, it will give you the total sales. Okay, right, that's fine. But my second thing is I want to find with a condition. I want to find the total sales with a condition. What is my condition is I want to find the total sales of Colombo location. But if you are using sum, you cannot give any condition. If you are giving condition, then you should use a different function called sum if. Okay, if you are using sum function, you can get the total sales, whatever total. If you are using if function in Excel, we are always using if function for to fulfill any conditions. Always we are using to fulfill any conditions. Either it's pass, fail, or true, false, whatever. Right? Here, what I will what I am going to use is I'm going to combine both and can use, right? This function called sum if. Okay, we'll start equal sum if open bracket. My first condition should be range criteria. So I want to find from Colombo what is the total sales. No. So my range criteria should be that location entire column should be selected, right? Comma, my criteria is Colombo. So I should select this Colombo cell, comma. My final condition is sum range. What I want to find? I want to find the total sales. So I should select entire column of total sales. If I close the bracket, if I enter there, I can find from Colombo what is the total sales. Okay. If you want, we can find this, we can check with manually also. Okay. First, here one Colombo is there. Yes, one. Again, we'll see. Yeah, here also one, two. Okay. And if I go down, yes, one more here. Yes, that's it. If I enter there, I can find from Colombo what is the total sales. Right. Now I gave only one condition, right? But if I want to give more than one condition, I cannot use sum if function. Sum if function only will fulfill with one condition only. If I want to give more than one condition, I should use a different function called sum ifs. It's either one, two, more than two, it doesn't matter, right? You can use this sum ifs function, right? Okay. So I am giving now two conditions. I am saying from goal, I just want to know what is the total sales of mobile. Okay. How I can find it? I cannot use sum if because that sum if will only fulfill with one condition. If I have more than one condition, I should use sum ifs. Sum, when I using sum ifs, my first condition should be sum range criteria. So I should select the total sales entire column, right? Comma. My second condition is criteria range one. What I want to find? I want to find from this goal location. No? So first criteria range should be location entire column, right? Comma. What is my first criteria? It should be goal, comma. I'm giving one more condition. I'm saying from goal, what is the total sales of mobile? So I want to find the mobile total sales. So then I should select that mobile contain entire column, comma. What is my second criteria? It should be mobile. If I close the bracket, if I enter there, I can find from goal what is the total sales for mobile. If I want, I can change this and also check. Okay. Right. If I change this to Colombo and I'm saying I want to find iPod, what is the total sales? Yes. If I enter there, I can get the total sales of iPod from Colombo, right? See here only 45,200. If you check manually, it should be 45,200 because if you check other Colombo, it's not iPod. This is tablet. Here also a tablet. So only one time we got sales for iPod. That is 45,200. Okay. Now I gave only two conditions. No, if I want, I can give more than two conditions. So okay, I'm giving one more condition now. I will insert another cell. Right. I am saying that. Okay. I am giving a condition. I'm telling goal, okay, I want to find mobile with brand name Samsung. So what I want to find is from goal, brand name Samsung mobile, what is the total sales? Okay, how I can find it? I can find in two ways. Okay, previously I already found goal mobile, what is the total sales? Now I'm adding one more condition now. I can do it two ways. First way is I can go to this corner bracket, right, comma. I can add my third condition. Before adding condition, what I should give? I should add that range, wherever that name contain, right? That range should be selected, comma. What is my third criteria? My third criteria should be that brand name Samsung. If I enter there, I can find from goal mobile, brand name is Samsung. What is the total sales? If you want, I can check in manually also. Okay. Goal mobile Samsung, yes, one here. Plus, if I check here, yes, two. Okay. Plus, any more goal mobile Samsung? No, it won't come because why? This is gold mobile, not Samsung. This is Redmi. Okay. Always remember when you are giving for any condition, if you in count ifs, right? If you are giving more than one condition, that all the conditions should be fulfilled. Here I'm giving three conditions, but here only two conditions are fulfilled. Gold mobile only, but brand name is not Samsung, so it won't come. Okay. If I enter there, I can find from gold location brand Samsung mobile, what is the total sales? Okay, right. I can do in other way also, regular way, equal sum ifs, open bracket. My first condition should be sum range. I'm selecting entire sum column, comma. My second condition is criteria range one. My first criteria should be location. So I should select this entire location column, comma. My first condition criteria is goal. Okay, comma. And I'm moving to second condition. I want to find the mobile. So I should select this item entire column is, comma. My second criteria is mobile. Okay, comma. Third criteria should be brand. Okay, brand name. So I should select this full brand name entire column, comma. Finally, I'm saying that brand name should be Samsung. If I close the bracket, if I enter there, I can find the from goal brand name is Samsung. What is their total sales for mobile? Okay. If you want, we can change it and check. Okay. So I'm giving now this for anything. Okay. Colombo. Okay. This is tablet. Tablet. That brand name should be what? HP. Okay. Right. What will be the total sale? 90,400. If you want, we can check it manually also. Here Colombo iPod, it won't come. Here one, Colombo tablet HP. So all three conditions are fulfilled. Okay, one. Again Colombo tablet HP. Yes, two. Yes, that's it. If I enter there, I can find from Colombo brand name is HP, tablet, what is the total sales, right? Okay. Today we discuss uh, what are the usage of sum function, sum if and sum if function. I hope you understood very well this lesson. If you have any doubts, please comment me on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thanks for watching my video. See you on next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.